Hello my viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to build this online banking website stress free. Alright, this is the latest online banking website that you can use for your educational purpose, for your project as a developer or as an individual or a final year student. Alright, so in this video I will show you how to. So this is the Skyboard online banking website, okay, and this script is available to purchase if you have a need for it. All right, so with this script I tell you, you can build a top-notch online banking website. And remember, this our channel is for educational purpose, and whatever we are posting here, all right, is for educational purpose. All right, so whatever you are using the script for will not be held responsible. All right, so here is the I will show you how you can build or achieve this kind of online banking without even being a developer, or you have any idea about PHP or whatever. All you need to do is to follow the guide in this script and you get it done for yourself. All right. We can also help you do it if you don't have any idea at all and you want us to build something like this for you. We are at your service. All right. So this script is built on PHP. Pure PHP is not Laravel. And the way it was built, every functions, every write-up, every features is controlled by admin. All right, everything is controlled by admin, and I'm going to show you. All right, so take your time, go through this video. This is the online banking website that you need for that your next project. I tell you for free, it is the online banking website you need for your next project. So without wasting much of your time, I will show you. This is the home page. Like I told you, it's built on PHP, pure PHP, not PHP Laravel. It's pure PHP. So you can separate the back end. Like I know some people that they would like, okay, I don't want to use this particular company that you use. I have my own page. How do I get the back end? I tell you, it's possible you can get the back end. You can separate it, we'll give you the back end. You use your own home page. All right. So here now you will have the menu, here we have the contact us, we have the credit cards, we have the investment, we have the services, digital banking, mobile and web banking, insurance policies, and all that. We have the home. All right, here is the logo. This is the logo, the skyboard. Okay, so let's click on open account and see how the account page looks like. This is the account page. So when you fill these details, it takes you to the next step. All right, so this is pure PHP. Let me show you the URL so that you will understand what I'm trying to say. What I'm trying to say, all right. This is pure PHP. Okay, you will see, I will show you the file. All right. So let's say let's go. Let's log in because we have already created account. We have an account already that we have created. So let's go back to login. So as you can see here is index.php, not just an index. It's index.php to let you know that this is pure PHP script, pure PHP online banking. Because I have many of my viewers that will ask me, we need online banking PHP. We need a PHP. We don't want to make use of Laravel. So this is online banking PHP. You don't need to you don't need to you don't need to use the homepage that comes with it. All right, you can use your own personal homepage, separate the back end, or you want us to give you the back end, we'll give you the back end, and you get your own homepage and do the job right. All right, so let's click on login. Here is login. I have account already. Okay, it has two steps authentication. It has password. You can enable it from the admin, which I'm going to show you. So you will need an email address, a password, and a pin. All right, and it has you can disable password from admin. You can disable the pin from admin. A user can only log in with a username and password, or username and pin. All right. So this one now, I disabled the password of function. It requires you now only the username and the PIN to log in. All right. The 4-digit account PIN, which is this, and it automatically redirects you once you put the last PIN. All right. So you can see that this here is the main back end of the script. There is a folder created for the back end of the script. Like I told you, you can separate it. So you can see that this is dashboard.php. It's a pure PHP script, a pure PHP online banking website. All right. And everything that you are seeing here is controlled by admin. It gives you real time date and real time. All right. So here is the transaction already performed on the account. So on the menu, the bank menu, you will see account details, wire transfer, local transfer, ATM card, deposit check, loan center, fixed deposit, investment plan, transaction, cash flow, and settings. Okay, you see the settings now. And settings, you can decide. Here is the account security, identity verified, and KYC. All right. Account limits, preferences, email notification. You can activate it and get email. Here is personal information where you will update your or this thing. And profile editing is locked. It's locked. We locked it from the admin section. So let me try and make a transfer. So this is a wire transfer. This is a wire transfer. Sorry, this is a wire transfer. So let's make a transfer. Account number, transferring, let's say, okay, 1,000 USD, transitional, confirm. Okay, choose account destination. You can add new, West Park. Okay, confirm. Here, it will require you to put your COT code. You put your COT code, which will be provided by admin. All right. So let's log into admin and see what we have. Sorry, I the wrong URL. Sorry, it's loading. As you can see also, the admin is on a separate folder. So we log in. This is our admin, super systems admin, right? This is our admin. Pin login disabled for admin, right? So here is the customer, the user details. One customer, we have only one customer, and that customer is verified. Okay, customers. You see the customer here. You click on action. You see every details about the customer. You can set account to pending, block, suspend account, generate transaction, credit balance, and edit details. You can edit this particular details, right? And now you can allow this account editing. Remember, I told you we switched it off here, so you can allow it there. I will go back there later. So here is the COT code. Let me provide it. The IMF, the remaining code, then transaction PIN. So you can see that I'm showing you both the admin and the user at the same time. Now the transfer is successful. All right, the transfer is successful, but it's waiting for pending approval by admin. So admin will now be the one to approve this transaction. All right. So let me go back to the back. Let me go. Okay, I would have printed the receipt so that you see how the receipt looks like. All right. So now the transfer now is showing pending. So what are we going to do now? We'll go to the admin, go to transactions, transfers. Look at the transfer here. We'll process Westpac. You can actually backdate this transaction. You can backdate it. You see, you can backdate it. So let's try and do the backdating. Let's do the backdating. Let's put it on, let's say 2023, January 4th. Time. Approve. So you see that is a swift banking, very sweet. You understand? No stress, no error. We have not encountered any error here, right? Okay. Now, see let's go back to the dashboard. We'll refresh the dashboard. You can see now the transfer is successful. Look at the day of the transfer, January 6, 2023. You can see the transaction is backdated successfully. All right. So now you can apply an ATM card here. We apply for card, MasterCard, request card. Okay. We have requested for a card, apply for a card, update PIN and other blah 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 blah. So your card is successfully activated and ready. Now let's look at the dashboard. You see, we have activated. You can see the card issuance fee. The amount was debited from your actual account balance. So this is the investment. This is investment here, and this is the investment plan. This is the investment plan. Start investing. We'll start with $10, $100, confirm. Successfully invested $100 in a beginner growth. All right. Now you can see that beginner growth, the investment is active, total profit. It will return once it's counting. All right. So now let's go back. This is the admin. Let's go back to the admin. Let's see what this admin can do. All right. What can this admin do? What are the functions of the features of this admin? Now you can see investment. Here is the investment we just did now. I just invested, and the term is 60 days interval, 60 days to run. All right. So look at the daily profit. All these things you can change them from admin. Now look at KYC submissions. This user submitted a KYC, or you can delete this record. You can delete it. All right. You can delete this record, and it will warrant the user to have to apply for another KYC again. You understand? If once you delete this record now, this user now is no longer verified. The user will now have to reapply for this KYC. It will now have to resubmit the KYC again. Okay, so that is what we have done here. We made everything easy for you that you can control this bank from admin. Here you can edit plans here. These are the plans you can edit. You can even add more plans. All right. So here is checks. Here is withdrawals. This is the admin section. All right. So now here is settings. Here is settings. You can remove bank deposits, Bitcoin deposit. You can deactivate them, but once it's on, it shows on user website. Then maybe you want your user dashboard. Then maybe you want to integrate any feature, and you want the bank to start showing maintenance mode. You can enable it here. You can enable it here, and when you refresh, you will find out that the bank is on maintenance mode. So let me try and log out here. So I've enabled it, and then let me save the changes I just made. Okay, you see it has logged me out. Okay, it has logged me out of the admin, and I've saved the settings. Immediately it logged me out. So we'll have to relog in again. We'll have to relog in again. So now, let's go back to these settings. I want to show you some other things, that you would need to know. From here is the bank KYC. You can deactivate it. Require activation code, require IMF code, require COT code. You can deactivate all of them if you don't need any of them. This is where you will put your live chart. This one you don't need to go into the script, or maybe you enter the script and start looking for a header or footer to paste your live chart code. You can just come here and paste your smart up code here, and it becomes active on the home page, both the dashboard and any pages, all the pages on the website. All right. So scroll to top, you can deactivate it here. So now here is SMTP settings, where you will set up your SMTP. All right, to be able to receive emails on every registration, every deposit, every withdrawal, every transfer, everything that requires email notification. Here is where you will set it up. You don't need to start going to the settings of the script to do that. You just come here and do it from admin. You can actually deactivate it if you don't want to be receiving any email. Then you run connection test, and that is all. So this script is the banking script that you need for that your project. No stress, no error. As you can see, I did everything step by step. I made a transfer. The transfer was confirmed. I edited the transfer, backdated the transfer. As you can see, it was backdated successfully, and it's showing on the user dashboard that the transfer was actually backdated. Okay, so here is user. Let me log in. Remember what we did on the admin section. I activated the ability for a user to edit its own account. So let's see if it worked. All right. Let's see if it worked. All right. So we'll go here, account details. Okay, here is the user account details. Verified elite member. Okay. Okay, we'll go to settings. Profile editing locked. Your profile are locked by administration, cannot edit account. So let me go and unlock it. Let me go and unlock it. Customers, action, edit details. Okay, so this user now can be able to edit his account. You can see now you can edit your account. I've unlocked it. You can edit your account, change your email address, change your phone number, and save it back as seen. All right, so I will have to go and lock it back for security purposes. All right, so this script is okay for your next online banking project. And trust me, if you want to have something like this, if you want to get have access to this kind of online banking, top-notch online banking, what you need to do is click the link on my bio to reach out to us on WhatsApp, and we'll get it done for you. All right. We don't only promote script or show our works online, we build from scratch, whatever project it may be. All right. Give us the project, and we'll tell you the one we cannot do. All right, we will tell you the one we cannot do. You will not just decide. You will not just conclude that we cannot do this. Give us the project. I will tell you what we can do. All right. So remember, I told you you can use your own homepage on this online banking. The homepage can be changed at any time. So you, as an individual, you need this kind of online banking. Reach out to us, and we'll get it done for you. This is the professional online banking you need at the moment. It's sleek, smooth, eye-catching, functional, most especially the backdating of the transaction. Okay, this is the best online banking for you. You can watch other of our videos posted on this platform if you want to see other projects we have posted. And remember, like I told you earlier, that this is This is for educational purpose. Please, will not be held responsible for any abuse, misuse of this script. Let's be guided, please. Will not be held responsible. You are 100% responsible for anything you are doing with this source code. Okay, you are 100% responsible. And thank you for watching our video. Please like and also comment. If you would like us to add more features, you can comment on this comment section, okay, or reach out to us on WhatsApp. Tell us what feature you would like us to add for you, and we'll get it done for you. All right, we'll give you the best. Amatech ICT solution will give you the best. Thank you for watching this video. See you on our next video. Thank you, and God bless you.